Hey everyone, welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the channel where we explore the craziest, most luxurious and most futuristic rides on the planet. Today, we're looking at something special, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. And trust me, these are not the boring old RVs you've seen in campgrounds. These are rolling 5-star hotels. When people think of BMW, they think of sporty cars, smooth SUVs, and German engineering. But in 2026, BMW shocked the world with something totally different, a luxury motorhome that feels like a spaceship landed on Earth. From the outside, this doesn't even look like a regular RV. It's sleek, curvy, and aerodynamic, more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a boxy motorhome. At the front, you have BMW's famous kidney grille, and this one glows with LED strips that look like eyes in the dark. The wheels are insane too, 22-inch alloys that actually glow while you drive. Imagine pulling into a campsite at night with glowing wheels. Everyone else in their regular RV will look at you like you just parked a UFO. Step inside, and you feel like you just entered the future. The living area has soft, vegan leather recliners, touch panels on the walls, and a massive glass roof above your head. You can literally watch the stars at night without even leaving the couch. The mood lighting changes with your music. Calm jazz gives you soft blue light, and hip-hop makes the room glow purple. It's like your own private club on wheels. The kitchen is small but smart. You get a modern induction stove, fold-out counters, and even a built-in espresso machine. BMW knows Americans can't survive without coffee, so they made sure you can get your cappuccino even while parked in the Grand Canyon. The bedroom has a king-size bed that changes firmness when you tell it to. Just say, make it softer, and boom, softer bed. Above the bed, there's a holographic BMW logo floating in the air like artwork. The bathroom feels like a spa, heated marble floors, a smart shower with different spray modes, and an aromatherapy system. Picture yourself taking a hot spa shower while parked in the middle of Yellowstone. That's not camping, that's luxury. At the front, the driver's area feels like a spaceship cockpit. There's an augmented reality windshield, gesture control steering, and the seats even rotate around to become part of the living room when you stop driving. At the back, there's a hidden dock for an electric BMW scooter, perfect for cruising around the RV park like a boss. This isn't just about looks, it has power too. The BMW Motorhome runs on a hybrid electric system with over 700 horsepower. It's quiet, smooth, eco-friendly, and still fast enough to overtake most cars on the highway. It comes in Arctic white, space black, ocean blue, and titanium silver. But in the US, let's be real, everyone will pick black because nothing says luxury like a blacked-out BMW. Starting price? Around 1.2 million. Yeah, more than a house. But hey, this is a house that moves faster than your neighbor's car. Luxury, performance, and technology. BMW just built the iPhone of motorhomes. But Mercedes isn't staying behind. They've gone full luxury hotel on wheels. Mercedes is all about comfort, class, and smooth driving. So when they decided to make a motorhome, they basically created a 5-star hotel suite that drives itself. From the outside, the Mercedes motorhome looks bold and expensive. At the front, the giant 3-pointed star shines proudly. Chrome accents wrap around the body, and the overall shape looks more like a private jet than an RV. The wheels? 24-inch multi-spoke chrome monsters that scream money. Inside, you feel like you just walked into a high-class hotel lobby. Plush recliners, hand-polished walnut wood panels, and even a built-in 70-inch smart TV. The Mercedes AI assistant runs everything inside, from adjusting the lighting to setting up a movie night. Just say, hey Mercedes, dim the lights, and boom, instant theater mode. The bedroom is pure comfort. You get a memory foam bed with 8 different massage modes, silk sheets, and gold-accented night lamps. It feels like you're in a luxury hotel, not a motorhome. The bathroom continues the vibe. Rainfall shower, gold fixtures, and heated towel racks. Imagine stepping out of the shower to a warm towel while camping in the Rocky Mountains. That's Mercedes luxury. At the front, the driver's area feels more like a plane cockpit than a car. Swivel captain chairs, a giant AR windshield, and yes, self-driving mode. That means you can let the motorhome drive itself while you enjoy the ride. At the back, there's even a mini terrace deck with a retractable table and chairs. Perfect for sipping coffee by a lake in the morning. It runs on a plug-in hybrid V8, At low speeds, it's whisper quiet, but when you hit the highway, it has all the power you need. Smooth as butter, that's the best way to describe it. Comes in diamond white, obsidian black, and emerald green. Price? Around $1.5 million, because staying in a hotel is one thing, but driving one is another level. Mercedes basically said, why book a hotel when you can drive one? But Ferrari's motorhome? That's a whole different animal. Speed meets luxury in a way you've never seen before. Now Ferrari. When you hear Ferrari, you think of Formula One, crazy speed and Italian style. So when they built a motorhome in 2026, they didn't just make an RV, they made a racing mansion on wheels. This thing is low, wide, and sleek. It looks like a race car that got stretched out into a home. Painted in Ferrari's signature red, it has aerodynamic fins, carbon fiber panels, and a grille that looks like it's ready to eat the road. The wheels? 23-inch carbon fiber alloys with glowing Ferrari logos in the center. Inside, everything screams Ferrari. The sofas look like racing seats, covered in red and black Alcantara leather. The walls glow with Italian-style LED strips. The living area feels like a luxury pit stop lounge, stylish but sporty. Even the kitchen is Ferrari style, with carbon fiber counters and an espresso machine straight from Italy. The bedroom is sporty, yet luxurious. A queen bed wrapped in Ferrari-stitched leather. The bathroom has smart mirrors, a rainfall shower with red highlights, and Ferrari-branded bathrobes. Because if you're paying millions, even your bathrobe better say Ferrari. At the front, the cockpit looks like an F1 simulator. Flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and digital gauges. At the back, there's even a mini garage. Yes, a garage, where you can keep a Ferrari scooter or a small racing cart. This thing has a twin-turbo hybrid V12 with 800 horsepower. That's not a typo, 800 HP in a motorhome. It accelerates like a sports car. Imagine merging onto the highway and scaring every minivan around you. Ferrari red, matte black, and pearl white. Price? Around $2.5 million. Easily one of the most expensive RVs ever made. Ferrari didn't build a motorhome, they built a track-ready mansion. But if Ferrari is about speed, Rolls-Royce is about elegance. Their motorhome isn't wild, it's royal. It's like a palace that decided to grow wheels. From the outside, the Rolls motorhome is pure class. Two-tone paint finish, giant Pantheon grille, and of course, the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament leading the way. The body looks more like a private yacht than a motorhome. Chrome everywhere, polished to perfection. Inside, you enter pure royalty. Leather sofas, handcrafted wood panels, and Rolls' signature starlight ceiling. Yes, the roof is full of tiny LED lights that look like a starry sky. There's a crystal champagne cabinet, custom carpets, and silence so perfect that you forget you're even in a vehicle. The bedroom feels like Buckingham Palace. King-size bed, silk curtains, crystal night lamps. The bathroom has marble countertops, a rainfall shower, and even Rolls-Royce branded bath kits. This isn't camping, this is a royal retreat. The cockpit is simple but elegant. Lambskin leather steering wheel, minimal dials. The back opens into a small terrace with lounge chairs and even an umbrella. Imagine sitting outside, sipping champagne on your own rolling balcony. It runs on an all-electric system with around 600 horsepower. Smooth, silent, and powerful. Driving this feels less like driving and more like floating on clouds. Colors, anything you want. Rolls-Royce lets you customize it completely. Price? Around $3 million. Royalty doesn't come cheap. Rolls-Royce basically said, if you can't bring the palace to the road, make the road your palace. But Lamborghini? They said, forget palaces. Let's build a wild beast that looks like Batman designed it. Finally, Lamborghini. If Batman retired and decided to buy an RV, this is the one he'd get. Sharp, aggressive, and futuristic. The Lamborghini motorhome has angular lines, a giant hexagonal grille, and massive 25-inch alloys that look like ninja stars. In black or neon yellow, it looks like a UFO landed on the freeway. Interior and living area step inside, and it's like entering a nightclub. Black leather and Alcantara everywhere, neon accent lights, and bold geometric designs. The living room feels more like a supercar lounge than a family RV. The kitchen is sharp and modern, with high-tech appliances. The bedroom looks like something Bruce Wayne would own, bold, dramatic, and stylish. The bathroom has black marble, smart mirrors, and a voice-controlled shower. Say, start shower, and the water begins. The driver's area is insane. Hexagonal screens, sharp angles, and even scissor doors. Yes, scissor doors on a motorhome. At the back, there's a fold-out party deck with built-in speakers. Perfect for blasting music while parked at the beach. This beast has a twin-turbo V10 hybrid with around 900 horsepower. It's the fastest motorhome ever built. The roar of the engine will make everyone turn their matte black, neon yellow, and lava orange. Price? Around $3.5 million. Basically, if you can afford this, you probably own an island already. Lamborghini didn't make a motorhome. They made a supercar that just happens to have a bed and a bathroom. And there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. From BMW's futuristic spaceship to Lamborghini's road beast, these rolling mansions prove one thing. The future of American travel isn't about tents and campfires. It's about 5-star hotels that can hit the freeway. Which one was your favorite? Are you Team Rolls-Royce Royalty, Team Ferrari Speed Demon, or maybe Team Lamborghini Batman? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because here at NextLux Reviews, we bring you the wildest luxury rides every week. Until next time, stay luxurious and keep rolling.